Hi, good evening. This is John Matthew Dullas and i-discuss ko po sa inyo yung CSPT C14. First is data capture. Ang title nito is Data Analysis and Capturing. Imagine a team of enthusiastic data hunters. They wield butterfly nets, scoop up social media whispers, cast phishing lines into customer services. Next is data editing. Alam naman natin to, ini-edit, which is yung sa Excel. Ini-edit natin yung nilalagyan natin yung mga nako-collect na data or napapadali natin yung paggawa nun, hindi na natin pinapapil. Next is data analysis. After natin makollect, syempre, kailangan natin i-analyze yung data. Dito papasok yung data analysis. Next is data visualization. After natin ma-edit and ma-analyze yung data, makikita natin siya, i-visualize natin siya, at makapag-come up tayo sa isang buong data. Data ingestion tools. Dito nakikita yung parang vacuum cleaner na inaalis yung mga unnecessary data or data encoding para ma-identify natin yung quality ng data at malaman natin yung patterns, symbols ng mga datas. Next querying tools, dito pang filter din siya, which is ginagamit mostly sa SQLs. Big data tools naman, think of it as super powered computer. Dito mapadali natin yung pag-gather, analyze, and edit ng data. And there is some pictures of data gathering.